Hey everyone, in this lecture and onwards, we will be doing what we have been waiting for, the most exciting thing, yes, to create content with Trupeer. So now I have the extension enabled. I will simply click on this extension, and the first thing when you are using it for the first time, you have to do a bit of setup. You have to allow Trupeer for using your microphone. So this is the pop-up that will come up. Click on allow, right? So once you click on allow, you will see that the microphone over here is enabled. So if you have multiple microphone options, you can pick, but I'll choose the default one. So we have default, communications, array, etc. But I'll pick up whatever is the one that is default. The second setting is show toolbar. So if you want to have a toolbar that will allow you to stop, pause, cancel the recording, change some settings of the mouse pointer. So you can enable this toolbar. So once you enable this, you will see that we have a toolbar on the left end. You can just move it anywhere, and you can use this for recording, restart the recording, pause, delete the recording, or toggle the cursor options. So this is the toolbar that is now available for you. Another interesting thing is the input language. So by default it is English, but hey, you can record in your own local languages. You can record in multiple other languages like Arabic, Chinese, French, German, Hindi, Japanese, Swedish, Tamil. Wow. So if you are thinking that, hey, I have to only record it in English and my English isn't that good, I don't know if AI will even pick it, to not have to worry. You can record the content in any of these available languages. The AI will pick it up very fine, and it will convert, if you want, it will convert that recording into multiple other languages. So that is great. We will see all of that translation later, but I think even this, the setting that I'm showing you right now, is indeed great. So you can pick up any of these languages. If you want, you can speak in Hindi and your content will be created in Hindi, right? We will see a demo of all of this, but let's begin with English, the basic setup. The last setting I really want to show you is the countdown. So it might be disabled or enabled in your case. If you want to give a quick heads up to yourself before even starting the recording, I think countdown works best. So let's enable the countdown. It will start from 5. So this will give you a time, a bit of seconds to settle yourself and begin the recording. So I will start recording now, and what I'll do in this particular recording is I'll talk about the AI overview in Google. Right, we have been using Google for a while. It was only the search results that would come up, but now there's an AI overview that comes up for every search query, and let's see how is that happening, how does that work, and how we can use it. So let me click on start recording and click on allow. So before even you do that, you have to choose what you want to show, right? If you have any particular Chrome tab in mind, you can choose that Chrome tab. So let's say I want to use only the Chrome tab of Google, right? Now, even if I switch to other tabs, it will not record that. It will only record the Google Chrome tab that I have selected, right? If you want to record the entire video of the entire Google Chrome, even if you switch tabs, you still want to show Chrome, right? So you can choose window and then choose the particular application that you want to. And lastly, we have the entire screen, right? It can record the entire screen that is visible, and even if you like minimize Chrome, it will still record the content of your desktop or whatever folder you open or whatever other different applications you open. In this case, I will do the window recording, right? I want to record the entire Chrome. So I have selected this, right? And I am now going to click on show. So the countdown has begun. Hi everyone. In this video, I will quickly demonstrate AI overview in Google search. Head on to google.com and search what is artificial intelligence or any prompt of your own. The search results are now showing up with AI overview alongside the usual search results that are below the AI overview. So you can click on show more and the AI overview is available to you. This is also available to you to export, as you can simply copy the text, draft it in Gmail, or copy it in Google Docs directly. I will click on draft in Gmail. Once I do that, a drafting email icon is available to you. This notification says open Gmail. Once I click on open Gmail, Gmail will automatically open, and the content that was there as an AI overview is now available to me in an email, and this is now shareable. I can just add any recipient and click on send button, and the recipient will receive this AI generated content directly in their mailbox. Thank you. Great. So now as you see, I have clicked on that toolbar's end button, and with this, my screen recording is now complete, and you can view this recording now over here with me. Hi everyone. In this video, I will quickly demonstrate AI overview in Google search. Head on to google.com and search what is artificial intelligence or any prompt of your own. The search results are now showing up with AI overview alongside the usual search results that are below the AI overview. So you can click on show more, and the AI overview is available to you. This is also available to you to export, as you can simply copy the text, draft it in Gmail, or copy it in Google Docs directly. I will click on draft in Gmail. Once I do that, a drafting email icon is available to you. This notification says open Gmail. Once I click on open Gmail, Gmail will automatically open, and the content that was there as an AI overview is now available to me in an email, and this is now shareable. I can just add any recipient and click on send button, and the recipient will receive this AI generated content directly in their mailbox. Thank you. Great. So the recording has come up nice. The audio video quality is perfect. I'm sure you're kind of tempted to hit the generate AI content button, but wait, let's see a couple of more options that are presented to us on this screen once your recording is complete. So you have option to click on select template and then also trim the recording. Let's look at both the options. So once you click on select template, there are certain options for you: marketing demo, user onboarding, sales demo. Now this is optional. Let's say you're making a marketing demo video or onboarding video, then choose that particular template so that the content that is generated for you once you hit the generate AI content is based on this theme of user onboarding. If you are creating a simple product video that probably is not relevant to any of these available templates, you can click on no template and that's it. However, if you think that okay, a sales demo template will definitely suit what is going to come up next, go ahead, click on sales demo and then select template. I will choose user onboarding just as an example and click on select template, and now my template has changed to user onboarding, and this will reflect in the content that is generated later. Another important feature over here is the trim recording. So this is something that you can even do as well after you hit the generate AI content, but this option is present to you over here, and it's really important because sometimes you over record something. Maybe the recording has become too lengthy, or you have you do not want certain portion of the recording so that the AI doesn't picks it up and records only the important part. So you have a couple of options to do over here. So number one is to trim the video. So you can simply drag and drop this, right? And this will help you trim the video. So you can choose any length and the video will trim. The second is the scissors. So I will first of all put the scissors off and I will trim the content. And now you will see that this has become an icon like this that you can drag, right? So let's say you want a particular length of content and you only want it in the first half, let's say 30 seconds of content in the first half. So you can simply do this, right? And you can then play the content and watch. Okay, I want the first 30 seconds, great, and this is how I want. Let's say I want the last 30 seconds, okay, this is how I want it. So you can adjust this, and this is available to you right over here. Another important thing is the scissors thing. So I will now expand it again and bring it back. So now I'm having the entire video. The scissors, what it does is it splits the video. Let's say you are recording something and in the middle the screen is loading, or it's doing something that you really don't want to record. Then you can split that content and remove it from the final recording. So splitting is easy. Wherever you want to place this icon, you can simply place this icon. I'll place this icon over here. So once you hit button, you will see that it has now split it into two different videos. Now, I can actually move each of these as an individual part of the part of the video. And now you see this blank section that is gone out of the recording. So once you click on save changes, this portion that is currently omitted will not be a part of the final recording. So definitely a great use case where you do not want to record a portion which is not necessary for the end user to be aware of. That will work well over here. Another important thing over here is the timeline, right? If you want to zoom into a particular timeline, let's say you want this timeline to show in a more granular way of seconds, so you can do this. Or if you want in a more fit to the screen kind of view, this is what you should do. You can simply modify the timeline scale. So you can simply drag and drop this slider and modify the timeline that you want to see, right? uh, Great. I will not do any changes right now over here. As I'm saying you, this is something that you can even do later, but it is presented to you right over here. So I was showing this to you. I will click on cancel. One important thing you want to do is give this a title. So I will give this a title like Google AI Overview Demo, right? So you have given your video a title now, you have given it a template, you have done the trimming and splitting if you wish to, you have previewed the video, and what you're going to do now is hit generate AI content, right? So I'll hit this button, I let Trupeer AI do the magic, and thank you so much for joining me in this lecture, and I will talk to you in the next. In the meanwhile, let Trupeer AI process our recording. Thank you so much for joining me in this one. Talk to you in the next.